May I please your lordship? Lordship, matter may be adjourned.
Any interim order on the prayer of the learned counsel for item 45
45.
on the prayer of the counsel for the petitioner. Matter states adjourned and be listed after 2 weeks.
Oblige, lordship.
May I please your lordship? Listing of a criminal appeal, my lord. Then on Friday, my lord.
Monday.
Monday. Oblige.
May please, my lord. One AB was fixed tomorrow, my lord. 1108 of the 24. I have filed an objection on behalf of the informant, my lord. So objection may be take along with the AB, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord.
Better mention to.
How can we pass an order? Where the order will be passed?
Order, my lord. Already interim protection was given, my lord.
No, we understand. Suppose I allow, there must be an order that is to be signed. Where do I sign today?
Kali ratiba mention koribo.
Highly obliged.
You make tomorrow, we will call it. In the meantime, it may come also. You contact the registry, file an application before the registry bans that I have filed this. So this
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 59 of the supplementary list.
item,
55.
yes.
Lordship, matter may be taken up at 2 p.m. because I have applied some of certified copy, your lordship, and received before 1.
Okay,
Maybe 2
we'll see, we'll see.
Lordship, much obliged.
65. May please lordship. I am praying for listing lordship. I have in criminal appeal lordship. For
bail,
bail lordship.
Tuesday next.
Please, your lordship, I pray for the listing of an urgent matter of criminal petition
At what stage? Motion?
in the stage of order.
What is the urgency?
On the last date, the High Court has asked us to take the steps against the respondent number 2. But on that date, we have taken the steps through learned District Magistrate Dibrugarh. But they have asked us to take the steps through CGM Dibrugarh. And now we have taken the steps through CGM Dibrugarh, and now it's been reflected in the order of the CGM.
Now, what is the urgency then?
From almost 1 year, the respondent number 2 has
Next Friday, not this Friday, next Friday.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, in item numbers 29 and 30, the CD has not arrived.
29 and 30. Yes, madam. Both Bohishta Marathon on the lodge.
When?
Bohishta Marathon. 7th.
7th. Any interim?
There is an interim.
On both the cases? Interim to continue.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention for listing of a bail application, my lord, tomorrow.
Motion?
Yes, my lord.
BA, AB.
Yeah, my lord. Bless my lord.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I have been languishing in jail for 33 days. Lordship, kindly come to the page number 11, Lordship.
Be there for a peace for some time.
Lordship.
Can we allow?
Yes.
32 days on long-term detention. Considering period of detention.
But not to repeat the same.
Not to repeat the condition divided. Last. Not to repeat the similar offenses. To the satisfaction of?
CGM.
Lordship,
Yes.
Second bail petition, Lordship, earlier rejected by your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this,
Earlier rejected by how many times?
I have instruction only once, Lordship. That time I appeared. I have no other instruction, Lordship. Lordship, in this case, co-accused filed a bail petition that is pending before this honorable court. That may be taken with that case.
Okay, it is submitted that co-accused has also been filed a bail application being
4692 of 2023.
4692 of
2023.
what is the name?
Name Shamim Ahmed Borbuya.
4692.
Lordship.
Okay. List this matter along with the aforesaid bail application.
Like,
Up to date status report maybe, in that case may not be that up to date.
That in that case, there may be up to date. These are the two boys, is that it? Yaba tablet.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
like.
Please, Lordship, 439 bail application, my lord.
Hmm.
39 is 9 days behind the bar, my lord.
Item number?
3, my lord.
38 days, 21B, my lord, that's CD
CD.
requirement.
But regarding petition number 2, my lord, is the wife. Both are husband and wife, my lord.
7.
But only on suspected ground, but both are.
This is NDPS, isn't it?
Only present.
Can we grant a bail without hearing the PP? And what is the meaning of hearing the PP? He
Madam,
must have his materials. Don't make unnecessary press.
Seven,
Yes,
seven.
next.
Yeah, please, Your Honor.
CD,
39 application, my lord,
CD.
with notice, my lord. But this informant is my lord, Moti Kumar Nior, he is a chairperson, child welfare. So PP can take the
No,
notice on behalf of him.
Police, my lord, we can directly, but
No.
society, my lord, they are
Notice to respondent number 2.
Vishwanath on 10th.
10th.
Obliged.
Notice to respondent number 2 in terms of the determination made in Nayak,
Deepak Kumar Nagar.
Deepak Nayak versus State of Assam,
State of Arunachal
says the Arunachal Pradesh. Steps on respondent number 2 be taken in terms of procedure laid down in the case of Deepak Nayak versus State of Arunachal Pradesh. Item
5.
same.
My lord, it was earlier rejected by Honorable Justice M. Nandi, my lord.
Oh, no, then.
Rejected by whom?
Honorable Justice M. Nandi, my lord.
Before appropriate.
Okay, list is before appropriate bench.
Mr. Lord. But in this case, my lord, primarily I am innocent, my lord. Kindly see, my lord.
Prima facie innocent.
Yes, my lord.
Let us see
Kindly see the forwarding report, page 15, my lord.
page.
15.
Yes.
In this case, the police suspected meant that that 5 kettles were theft. However, my lord, the 3 persons are the owner of this cows, my lord. And these the challans are annexed, my lord. What happened, my lord? I am the driver of the vehicle. The 5 kettles were purchased from Pasgram Bazaar and from the Kurikhala village. The Kurikhala village is situated near the border line, the border with fencing, my lord. This village and 3 persons from our village have went to.
We'll see the case, Daddy.
My lord, my lord, kindly see that the records, my lord. All records I have annexed, my lord.
No, we have annexed. I have seen that receipt and all. See, 2 issues. There is further restriction so far relating to the bordering district. Number 1. Number 2, it has been seized by the BSF.
My lord,
BSF. We understand.
Bazaar is not from border. Bazaar is from Pasgram.
Maybe.
I am from the border village.
No, we understand.
Yes.
It has been seized by the BSF. BSF and handed over to the police. So you would like to see the
Short date, my lord.
short date is up to
Karimganj, my lord, short date is 7, my lord.
7.
Before that.
Obliged.
Yes.
413 application lordship. FIR is page 14 lordships.
Yes, Daddy.
Kindly see, my lord. FIR, page 14 is the FIR lordships.
I have seen that.
My lord, kindly see page number 3 lordships.
Paragraph number?
3 lordships of the FIR. May I read the FIR lordships?
Yes, read.
The remaining amount of rupees 30,16,277 rupees only hold by the DDMA subject to submission of proper registered duly certified, my lord. It still is holding, my lord. It is not misused by anyone, lordships. So, my lord, if
Proper inquiry was done.
Whole explanation is thing is did that without person being transported, sleep diesel and petrol slips were issued, and that to a tune of huge amount.
21
We
lakh
need
more.
some.
Lordship, permit me to allow appear before the I will also. I have the some documents, Lordship, so I will submit it, Lordship, before the I will also. Only some protection, my
We'll
lord.
consider on the next day.
10th,
Case diary.
10th of June.
Yes.
438 application, my lord. 354 and 379 is there, my lord.
Huh?
354 and 379 is there.
Where is the FIR?
FRS page number 7, man.
CD interim. Appear before within 10 days.
My lord, on 14th.
14th.
My lord, for the contents of the FIR, my lord, all the section are available section, my lord, except 354, my lord, and the 354 now.
CD interim. All these are, if you go through the FIR, yes, CD interim.
Applied.
Appear before the
18 June.
18 June.
Applied.
Wrongly registered, Lordship.
Wrongly listed.
No, wrongly registered, Lordship. Also should have been added, Lordship, considering the age of the girl, Lordship.
CD. Much obliged.
Dhubri on 12.
Much obliged, your Lordship.
Lordship. When is the FIR, Lordship?
CD interim.
I'm up.
Date.
Dorong 18.
My please, Lordship. 438 application. Any offense alleged have been committed, your Lordship, on 18/3/2024. FIR lost on your Lordship after 5 days. That is on 22/3/2024, your Lordship.
Sir, for us, sir, all these are CD interim. We'll see.
Insanally, accused number 1, I have, my lord. Other,
Accused number 1, actually,
Let us see, let us see. Yes, 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 yes.
page 10 mechanically looked into, your Lordship.
except accused number 1, my lord. Other-
Yes, except accused number 1. Yes, you are correct. You are correct. Don't go further. Yes, you are correct. Except accused number 1.
Lordship. Obliged.
Abhaya Puri. 14. 14.
Why this matter is listed here? 376.
Not 376, your Lordship.
Huh?
47.
What no, sir? 376.
No, 376, that's succeeded. This is earlier case. Their case is on page 19. That is not, that is,
Where is the FIR?
FIR, your Lordship, may kindly peruse. The FIR started page 19.
FIR in your case.
FIR in my case, there was an order passed by
No,
the.
no,
It's 21.
FIR where you are seeking bail.
page 21, my lord. This is the order of the trial court.
This is the order of
Of the learned trial court, your Lordship.
He is an advocate, my lord, regarding, my lord.
I'm an advocate, your Lordship.
Page 21, my lord, may come below portion, my lord, last 4 line, my lord. The Bhakalatnama submitted by, with the bail application shows that.
May I submit, your Lordship?
yes.
Your Lordship, I had filed a bail application. Along with the bail application, I have filed an affidavit. In that affidavit, your Lordship, the.
Now what should we call case diary?
Subsequently,
Where is the registered case register?
Page 25, your Lordship.
Page?
25.
That's why I was a little bit confused. What was page?
25.
24, last, after that order, my lord.
After that order was sent to the OC, your Lordship, he has received the case, registered the same. Yes.
Gormur 29. of-
Oramur PS case number 29/2024 under section 465.
Which district this is?
Majuli, your Lordship.
Interim. CD interim.
18.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes.
FIR, Lordship, is at page number, in vernacular, page number 14. POCSO against a lady. Allegation is that two persons committed rape and
Who
I am
are
the
you?
owner of
the rented house
You are,
where the
you
place,
are Hirumoni Roy.
yes,
Yes.
allegation is there.
If
Where
you are
the
a
crime
conspirator,
committed, where
if
the
you are
crime
a,
committed.
if you are a conspirator in the whole episode, then
No, FIR, he's the accused number one in the FIR. my lord.
yes. Suppose you have taken this girl and allowed somebody to rape her in your room. That is the
That will
specific.
be revealed in CD lordship.
That's why we'll call
That's
for the
right.
case there.
Till then lordship.
No till then.
Bojali, 12.
Mr.
Next, huh?
Goswami,
That's it. 438 application.
ask your junior to be careful in translating CD interim. This is not expected in for mere chamber.
I'm sorry.
CD interim.
Oblige.
Nalbari,
I'll-
18.
Otherwise, I would not say, should not have.
Have Your Lordship.
Yes.
Apprehending arrest in connection with Chanmari PS case number 45/24.
Where is the affair?
FIR is at page 12. Lordship, actually, it is a complaint petition converted to FIR. And order of learned JMFC Kamrup Metro is at page 20.
What do you say about paragraph 15?
Paragraph 15.
15 of your complaint.
Yes, Lordship. Paragraph 15 of the complaint petition, Lordship, that the petitioner begs to state that the opposite party deceitfully seated. No, Lordship. My humble submission is that in 2000.
Otherwise, it's a kind of a civil. Okay.
Yes.
CD interim.
Oblige, Lordship.
June 15th. 14 June. 14 June.
Heard Mr. J.I. Borbuya, learned counsel for the petition. The present petition is filed with a background facts that some newspaper report has been published alleging that coal mafias are operating in the some districts of Upper Assam and illegally transporting coal from the neighboring states,
Not coal.
Oh, sorry, Supari. Neighboring states. Supari mafia, huh? Neighboring states. According to the petitioner, on the basis of such newspaper article, the police from Merapani police station, Golaghat police station, Amguri police station, Sipsagar police station, and Sonari police station, and Soraidev police station had jointly visited the petitioner's house on 17/5/2024 at 6:30 p.m. to arrest him. Full stop. Apprehending. However, it is submitted by the petitioner that no case has yet been registered, nor he could trace out, no case has been registered. Full stop. In the aforesaid backdrop, the present application under section 438, present applications, common order, huh? Present applications are filed. Full stop. Mr. Bothakur, learned counsel representing additional public prosecutor, submits that he may be granted some time to obtain instruction whether any case has been registered in terms of the aforesaid newspaper in the aforesaid police station. Full stop. Accordingly, he prays for an adjournment. Prayer is allowed. Please this matter on Friday.
6th of June.
Friday. Then we'll have to pay interim. Friday.
Yes.
You just have an office from the head office.
Yes.
Friday in the motion column.
Coercive action to be taken.
Don't worry. You have not been arrested till now, on last occasion also, till now. Wait till Friday. Today is the Wednesday. Mr. Bothakur, I think you will be able to have an instruction from the head office here.
Yes, ma'am.
That whether on the basis of this news, because DGP or higher officers will be aware of this.
Yes.
If any registered give us, we'll then proceed. What is that?
Yes.
Yes.
17, 18 is the same, my lord, only different police stations.
And that's why I mean, we do not know. So we are saying it's a common order in 3 cases.
Yes, fix it.
18 also, 18.
None appears for the petitioner on call list after a week.
Please, your lordship. But only judgment is to be passed.
Heard Mr. M.S. Sheikh, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. The present application is filed under section under section 401 CRPC 401/397 CRPC assailing an order dated 17/2/2024 passed by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Gwalpara, Assam in MCR case number 43 of 2021. Full stop. By the aforesaid order, the full stop. The respondent number 2 or 1.
One, my lord.
Respondent, the sole respondent.
Sole respondent.
The sole respondent, preferred and sole respondent, the wife of the petitioner, preferred an application under section 125 CRPC before the learned additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, Gwalpara, which was registered as
MCR 43.
MCR 43 of 2021. This is an interlocutory order or final order?
Final order. Your lordship will get at page 45. Final hearing made and judgment delivered on 7th.
Prepared an application under section 125 CRPC. Full stop. By the impugn order dated, impugn judgment and order dated,
Page 45, my lord, last.
impugn judgment and order dated 12/12/2022.
No, my lord.
Huh?
17.
17/2/2024.
Yes.
Is that it?
Yes.
17/20/24 allowed the aforesaid petition and directed the present petitioner to pay an amount of maintenance of rupees 2,000 with a cost of rupees 5,000 from cost of rupees 5,000. Full stop. What is the ground, Mr. Mrs. Sheikh?
My
Learned
ground
counsel.
is this is second round of
Full
litigation.
stop. Mr. Amongst other, the present, amongst other, the impugn order has been assailed on the ground that this is the second round of litigation, and earlier the wife filed an application under DV Act seeking maintenance. Full stop. However, the order of maintenance granted in the said proceeding was reversed by this court. By
the additional session judge Gwalpara, thereafter in revision,
Okay.
that has been upheld.
Okay, reversed in an appeal, full
Yes.
stop, appeal, and was subsequently affirmed by this court in
Revision number, I am giving you. Criminal revision number 163 of 2020.
163 of 2020. Full stop. Issue notice returnable after 4 weeks. Interim prayer shall be considered on the next date of listing.
Obliged.
Steps within 5 days, both ways.
Much of it.
You do not know what happens when. Yes,
Please, your lordship.
yes.
So the main issue is whether under section 311 CRPC, a witness can be recalled only for the purpose of declaring the witness as hostile, my lord. On that ground, my lord, This 311 petition was allowed by, petition was filed by the learned public prosecutor and it was allowed by the learned trial court. But what had happened in this case, my lord, initially informant was examined. Informant incriminated.
Place this matter in the motion column on Tuesday.
Deep level.
4th of June. Yes.
My lord, petitioner filed a petition, my lord, with a prayer to the district sec sent to the FSL for determining the actual age of the ink written in the.
Where
text.
is your cross-examination of the witnesses?
But
See, you say that the SEC should be sent to determine the age of the signature.
yes, yes.
Where is your foundation that you dispute that this is a old SEC? Where is that?
Yes, my lord, I have filed the petition, my lord. Page
Oh, forget about the petition. Foundation in a criminal case is laid during the cross-examination. Where is that?
9. That part I will produce, my lord, next
That
day.
is a vital case. The learned counsel for the petitioner press for an adjournment. Prayer is allowed. List after 2 weeks.
1 week.
List after a week. All this all a little bit later. Scan copies after the normal bill. 22, 23, 24 a little bit later.
Can it be on Friday, madam?
Why?
My lord, I am not prepared, madam.
Okay. 24 on Friday. Not Friday, Mr. Dr. Monday next month. Next Monday.
Monday. I'm obliged.
24 on next Monday. On the prayer of Mr. N.J. Dutta. 22 and 23 will take a little bit later. No, 23 and 23. Yes. What happened? Okay. This is also will take a little bit later.
Well, 55 already fixed at 2.
2. Okay, 58. All these scan copies need application of mine will take later. Mr. Parasar, if necessary, Mr. Sharma is also there. If you want to go through, just go through. Item?
CD was called for, my lord.
Huh?
CD was earlier, so case diary not received, no?
Did they not receive?
Case diary not.
Any interim?
Interim, my lord. Petitioner is in interim.
When?
My lord, on 19th of June, my lord.
19th of June, interim to continue. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
But I am on interim bail, my lord.
CD is there?
There, my lord, petitioner appeared statement recorded, my lord.
You
He
want his custody? No.
Yes, my petitioner is an employee of my lord Pragati Motors Dealers. My lord, allegation is that he, my lord, he has, my lord, regarding while he is the, my lord, my lord, his duty is to keep record of the entire stock of the, my lord, that.
Just tell us, he has a cooper. Do you need his
Yes,
custody?
yes, cooperation.
Absolutely. Yes, yes.
28.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Matter will be taken after some time. Petition.
CD is there? Okay, after something.
The problem is that in this case, accused person not yet appeared before the IO, my lord, after obtaining interim.
Yes. Have instruction from your client.
Lordship.
Yes.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
May I place your lordship? CD is called for.
My lord, petitioner is in interim case diary not received, my lord.
They did not receive interim when? What of
On my lord, 21st of June, 21.
21st. Interim to continue.
Yes.
Is there is there? What about?
Yes, my lord, case diary is. Okay.
There? Who is the petitioner? Okay, we'll just call it.
Yes.
Wait for something. 30, this was 30?
2.
Okay.
Printing was there, and CD was called for.
CD is there, what how?
CD, the petitioner appeared, my lord, here to statement recorded.
Do you require his
Signature case.
order liquid disil? Yesterday I given an order regarding this. Oh, so. This for the.
CD receive, Lordship.
CD receive?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, after some time we'll call.
Certified Lordship, petitioner is an interim, he has appeared, and there is a complaint case also, Lordship.
No record.
Transaction, Lordship.
Same order appeared. Disposal.
All right.
Absolute.
36.
Is there?
Yes, no, case there is.
Okay, wait for some time. Let us see.
Yes.
7.
CD is there. What happened today? We are a little bit fast or what?
After some time, my lord, the CD is available.
Yes, that's right.
Please,
Yes.
the matter is fixed today for the CD.
Where is the CBI?
Item number.
Is CBI? Isn't it? Huh? Is it
CBI,
not
ma'am.
CBI?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, Lordship.
Item-
CBI is not.
Where, where is
Item
CBI?
38.
Interim order is there?
CBI, my lord.
Lordship, no, no interim order is there. However, all the accused person who were earlier arrested by the state police, they have been under bail. And after that, this has been transferred to CBI recently. So some of the,
Why are you apprehended?
because their notice is like that, your
You
Lordship,
require him.
page number
No,
41
Lordship,
will speak.
Generally, CBI do not arrest.
Yes, case is very, CBI is investigating. very-
Subsequently, it was handed over. Earlier, they were granted bail.
Yes, yes.
Let them go.
They are not granted bail. These person are not granted bail.
Not granted.
Not granted bail.
So what you
Because
say?
they-
Seeking clearance bail, Lordship. Investigation is a nascent stage, Lordship. There is a telephonic conversation. We have taken the voice sample of the accused also. So now we cannot say, Lordship, at this stage whether bail can be.
No, I understand. See, they have cooperated, you have taken their voice sample.
Yes.
I do not think you require, they will appear as and when required before you. Generally, CBI anticipatory bill, I am surprised.
Our predicament is that this notice at page number 41.
When appear, they will not arrest you.
Yes, Lordship.
Appeared.
Lordship.
Then where is the apprehension?
Yes. There is
Because here it is written in the last line. Others are already on anticipatory.
No,
bail.
forget about others.
Here
Where
it
is,
is
where
written-
is your apprehension?
Because their notice is like that, your Lordship.
Where is that notice?
41, page number 41.
Lordship imposed as a condition, Lordship.
So these are the conditions.
Lordship, very genuine conditions, Lordship.
Pace.
Page 41. Their notice. Failure to attend comply with the terms of this notice can render you liable for arrest under section 41A3.
This is a conditional.
So
So you have been asked, you have appeared.
Yes.
What remains?
some protection may kindly be given, sir.
See, we'll have to pass an order when it's legally sustainable.
But others are on anticipatory bail.
In the earlier
Yes.
case,
The some were arrested also. They are.
that
on-
was arrested not by
CBI.
CBI. Those were arrested by the state police.
Yes.
CBI issued a notice to you saying that please come and appear before us. You have appeared and your voice sample is also
Taken.
recorded.
Yes.
And in the notice says if you don't follow
Comply the
these
con-
terms, you'll be arrested. You have not disobeyed, you have not been arrested. Where is the apprehension? We'll close it that for the time being there is no apprehension with a liberty that
Yes, yes,
you
yes.
can come as and when there is an apprehension.
Yes, yes.
Some protection may kindly be granted. Lordship.
They are saying we have recorded the statement.
in the courtroom, Lordship, but when there is an investigation, if they suspect something,
You are
immediately they can arrest.
doing CBI cases for so many years. I had also a little experience doing trial in CBI cases. Have you ever seen in this kind of situation CBI arrest until and unless you do something?
Very previous.
Have you seen? Tell us forget about this case. Personal experience.
They arrest.
Sometime.
Sometimes they arrest.
Yes,
if
what
they
you say?
feel They are hiding
Give up to your
something.
lordship, because
Suppression
yes,
of-
I will just observe that heard MS Swenso, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Halloi, learned special public officer for the respondent CPA. Apprehending arrest in connection with Swenso. Hoigol. The ground of apprehension of the petitioner is a notice under section 41A CRPC. Full stop. The issue issued on 3/4/2024 by the inspector, CBI SCB Shillong. Full stop. However, the fact remains that pursuant to the aforesaid notice under section 41A, the petitioner had appeared before the investigating officer, recorded his or her statement, recorded his statement, as well as voice sample of the petitioner has also been collected. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that still apprehends that she may be arrested for the petitioner may be arrested for the reason that a condition was put. Where is that?
H.
A condition was put that GH. Condition opposed that
From A to H. That is at page number 41.
GH, you will not allow any manner destruction.
That is their apprehension.
The condition that the petitioner will be arrested if he is involved in any manner in destruction of any evidence relevant to purpose of investigation / trial of the case. Full stop. Such condition is an essential condition inasmuch as even in the event this court allows a bail application, this court will also impose such a condition. Therefore, such condition, imposition of such condition cannot be an ground for apprehension of arrest, inasmuch as on the basis of notice, the petitioner duly participated in the investigation and her statements are also been recorded. Therefore, at this stage, there cannot be any apprehension of the petitioner to get arrested by the CBI until and unless the petitioner involves
Incriminating materials found against the petitioner.
involves herself in any of the action trying to hamper or tamper with the evidences or to destruct evidences or any incriminating materials are found. Full stop. Considering the above, this court is of the view that no further orders need to be passed in this case. However, it is made clear that if the petitioner if any cause of action arises at future, he shall be at liberty to approach this court again.
Any stringent condition of some restraining order may kindly.
We do not understand certain things. When CBI is saying that she has cooperated, it is there.
Same order in the next case only.
Same
order,
second.
same order.
Much obliged.
They will be more apprehensive now. Why we are apprehending?
Because what is
After we would have considered it when after receipt of the 41A notice you have come that they may arrest me. Okay, we'll give a protection, get your statement recorded. Without any apprehension, you appear, they registered your statement. I do not think.
various
correct.
conditions are there. One of the condition is that render your full cooperation and assist the apprehension of. the
Suppose I allow a bail application. What will be the conditions?
These are the only.
What will be the condition? That the bail is granted without any conditions. She may indulge in tampering of evidence. She can influence
apprehension is this much
You
that
are,
if
you are a seasoned counsel. Yes.
Time being, my lord, another court, my lord. 32.
Please this method, motion or what?
Hearing, my lord.
Interim is there, CD is there.
CD is there in short.
Huh?
Short date.
You want to object?
Lordship,
Or you say that no need of his arrest, no need of his custodial interrogation. Either way, if you
My
say that
my lord, I cannot, my lord, because your lordship can see your lordship's order, my lord.
okay, after some time.
Yes, sir.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Full stop. None did appear for the petitioner when matter was called for the first time also. Full stop. Accordingly, this petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Interim order, if any, stands vacated. The case diary be returned back. Same order.
I'm sorry, Lordship, I'm standing outside.
Yes.
4:30.
Always be inside classroom.
No, I'm sorry, Lordship. I was standing after doing the motion, Lordship. I was
Yes,
standing-
yes, yes.
No,
What?
sorry, extremely sorry, Lordship.
Yes.
So, for page 9, Lordship, interim was there, Lordship. I appeared before the IO, Lordship.
Require?
The driver, he appears statement recorded. And recorded. Maybe some knowledge, but.
Much obliged, Your Lordship. I'm extremely sorry. Much obliged.
CGM Kamrup.
CGM Kamrup, huh? CGM Kamrup.
Rural.
Rural. CGM Kamrup.
My lord, in this case, we filed an FIR before the SP Borpeta.
That was AB. Nalage. AB, no? On a bulletin. So that is AB. AB, sir. Yes, Mahmood, what is this?
My lord, we filed an FIR before the
This is
SP
item number?
40.
Yes.
Then police took no action at that time. But when we approached Honorable High Court, some action has been taken and it is reflected in their affidavit.
We'll close it.
But in the para 5 of the affidavit, the SP says that regarding intimidation and property taken by the other party, no complaint has been lodged. So, Lordship, up to that observation, if I file an FIR, that may be looked into.
We'll just close it. Just listen to us. Mr. M.U. Mahmood, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard
MS U Sharma,
MS U Sharma,
and government advocate.
government advocate. For the respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
And you are for?
My lord, 4, 5, 6.
And
7, 8,
Mr.
9,
H.
Ali.
Ali.
Except 10. My lord.
Respondent number?
4 to 9 and 11.
4 to 9 and 11. Who is for 10? Okay. The present application under Article 226 of Constitution of India is filed praying for an issuance of a writ in the nature of mandamus or any other writ or direction to the officer in charge Borpeta PS station to register an FIR on the basis of complaint lodged by the petitioner on 30/12/2022. Full stop. This coordinate beds under its order dated 16/2/2022 to issued notice. Full stop. In the meantime, the state respondents have filed affidavit, and from the affidavit, it is revealed that already an FIR has been lodged and investigation has been started. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid, nothing survives to be adjudicated in this present writ petition. Full stop. However, at this stage, Mr. Mahmood submits that in the affidavit, Mahmood submits that he may be permitted to file additional FIR
regarding his property and tenants' intimidation.
Regarding involving criminal actions of the respondents involving the petition property of the
Petitioner's
petitioner.
property.
Petitioner profession. Full
And
stop.
threatening them.
Full stop. It is no such order is required inasmuch as a citizen is at liberty to file FIR when some criminal offences are committed and when cognizable offences are made out from the such complaint, the police authorities are also requires to register FIR. Therefore, no observation in this regard is required to be made. Be that as it may, accordingly, as no cause of action survives for the present petition, the same stands closed. See, if arising out of the same offense, there are something you make a statement that cannot be an FIR. It will to be a part of the additional statement under 161. So we cannot give a direction to law journal. That's why we have said. Rest we have clarified what can be done.
Lolita Kumar is, that's why
Yes.
I came here.
Yes.
Obliged, madam.
Dispose of.
Your Lordship, my senior is on legs, Lordship. Kindly pass over for time being.
What is this method? Leave. Who is for the respondents?
L. Bora, Lordship.
Heard your T. Goswami, Learned Counsel for the petition. None appears for the private respondent. Hey, Muslim. Service. Come on. Full stop. None appears for the sole respondent. Sole respondent. No, respondent number 2. No, respondent number 1. You don't have the file. Bad habit. Senior may be in legs. File is not on legs. Respondent number 1. Though notice has duly been served upon respondent number 1, none appears for the said respondent. We got the present however, Mr. P. Borthakur, Learned Counsel is present representing respondent number 2. Full stop. The present application is filed under section 378 within bracket 3 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, seeking leave for filing an appeal against judgment and order dated 13/3/2023 passed by Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Jorhat in CR within bracket N.I case number 34/2016 under section 138 of the NI Act. Full stop. By the aforesaid judgment, the aforesaid criminal case was dismissed. Is not it? You are not aware. Therefore, leave is not it, Borthakur? Its leave is always against acquittal.
Yes. Here, my lord, PP is not a party, my lord.
Huh?
PP is not made a party, my lord.
Not made a party, then
PP
don't,
Assam is not made a
no,
party.
don't give. Come on, criminal appeal. Okay. No, against the judgment, that beleg na lage. Full stop. Peruse the statements made in the application. Considering the above, this court is of the view that the petitioner has been able to make out a case for granting leave. Full stop. Accordingly, none appears for the sole respondent also to object such prayer. Considering the matter in entirety, the present application is allowed by granting leave for preferring an appeal against judgment and so and so. Full stop. Registry to accordingly, this stands closed. Registry to, okay, that's all.
Okay.
That's all. Yes.
Made to the lottery. My lord, this application IA has been filed for taking a continuation of 73 days, my lord.
What about the service?
I think this, my lord, is not that as per office note dated, my lord, 27/5/2024, unsub notice or ID card on respondent number 2 has not been received yet.
What to do now?
My lord, can condone the delay in this case because, my lord, what I'm challenging here in this case, my lord, is this: I was not heard.
What was the case?
My lord, it is an NI case before the trial.
NI, it will be difficult to condone without the other side.
Connected, my lord, please.
Otherwise, if it would have been any case under GR, we could have.
Yes.
But NI is we cannot take consent of the public prosecutor.
But that one connected appeal against the trial magistrate order is still pending before the lower court. That appeal is not disposed.
How connected?
Because out of the same order, my lord, 2 appeals were filed, 50 and 51. 51 got disposed, 50 is still pending, 2019, that is still pending before the
You take a fresh steps.
My lord, please.
Okay. Office note dated. Otherwise, 71 or 73 days delay, we would not have hesitated. Office note dated 27/5/2024 reflects that neither ID card nor unserved notice in respect of respondent number 2 has been received back. In view of the aforesaid, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be granted 5 days time to take fresh steps upon the respondents. Prayer is allowed, steps be taken by both ways, so that usual process we can get the report.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Yes.
I'm very sorry, Lottie. I didn't know.
Be sorry after a little later. Now sit.
I believe, Your Worship. If I have an application under section 379 and 401, Jimma petition, one vehicle, my lord.
Whatever report is received?
Yes, my lord.
Report not yet received, my lord.
My lord, scanning LCR report is available, my lord. Available, my lord.
The order was Mr. B. Sharma, learned election pressed for some time to produce a report regarding confiscation proceeding of the sage material.
Confiscation report, my lord, vehicle after conclusion of time, my lord. After conclusion of time.
After
conclusion of time. Conclusion.
He wants to say, my lord, confiscation can be, my lord, only after conclusion of the trial, my lord, that is his.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, anyway, my lord, I will get the report on Friday, my lord.
Friday.
Friday.
Mr. Bhattakur seeks for an adjournment to obtain instruction in this matter.
Yes. 3 occasions, my lord. Confiscation report, my lord.
Now, what to do today? Tell us. He seeks an adjournment. Be reasonable something.
Friday, I will get it, my lord. Deeply obliged.
Friday. These are bad habits, Mr. No, you may be on the way. This is not a case that where your presence is required. Number 1, you must train your junior that they should have the file.
Instruction was not there.
Your senior may be on legs. Files will not be on legs.
Correct.
Yes, next case.
So lots of admitted there.
No, we have just granted the leave. Now appeal is to be
Appeal will
registered.
be numbered.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, by these applications, my lord, I have challenged the charge sheet number 111 and the proceeding of session case number 223, 2019, standing in the court of additional session judge, Kamrup at Guwahati, my lord. Well, a nutshell in this case, in a nutshell is this: there's a fire, my lord.
Where is the affair?
I'll come to that. Before that, my lord, I'll just, the petitioner before your lordship is the factory manager of Sunrise Biscuit Factory, which is a subsidiary of Britannia Industries Limited, my lords. Now, what has happened, there are 3 FIRs, my lord, for one incident, my lord. One is by me, I being the factory manager, one is by the employee, and one is by the fire officers.
What happened? Fire?
Yes, there's a fire. There's a fire in the year 2016.
So what is the allegation against?
My lord, I'll tell you that in 20.
No, we'll hear you details, but just so you understand,
Yes.
what is the allegation here?
Allegation is this: we, along with so and so, that as per that, in collusion with X, has put fire on the factory. That is the allegations. 436, 120B, 436 has been.
Okay.
Exactly this. We have also made an inquiry. I being the factory manager, we found that these are the, because of their negligence, there's a fire below. So we suspended 17 workers below. And there's a hue and cry.
Now, on what basis will proceed in this matter? Any records, scan copies?
No, my lord, scan copy of record.
My
there
lord,
is nothing. in
your
it.
lord, your lordship will.
Just a minute, just a minute.
What is happened to me? Was number five.
Any case diary is there?
Oh, my lord.
Any record, anything?
As per my instruction from my learned friend, matter not yet. Admin taken.
Who is for the respondent number 2?
He is my lord.
Who is respondent number 2? Tell us first that.
He's an informant, my lord.
Informant.
Informant. What he says, my lord, he filed an affidavit. He said this FIR has been filed on the basis of information by the two of the workers from the factory, my lord. Basically, he's an hearsay.
The present application is filed for quashment of proceeding being session case number 223/2013 pending before the learned court. What was the stage?
It was stayed, my lord, because
No, what was the stage?
the evidence has not been started, my lord.
Charge frame.
Charge has not been framed. So we challenge it prior to that, my lord.
So you can argue all this paper during the charge, 226.
Yes, definitely. But on the face of it, my lord.
Mr. Bora, just tell us.
My lord.
On the face of it, if it is not this, therefore the legislature in his wisdom has provided certain provision. Where is that?
227, my lord.
227.
227, my lord.
Why should a court bypass a statutory provision given where you will have all the right? Had it been a case that no, during proceeding under 227, you have argued the case and that has been rejected, that will very well look into. But before argument on charge, you have straightway come for quashing. Why should we interfere? Plus tell us that.
My lord, I'll submit, respectfully, I'll submit, my lord, that where the entire proceeding is a malafide, my lord. The court has to, and is an abuse process of the court, my lord. Then, my lord, High Court has the power under.
No, we are not any hesitation of our power under 482.
482, my
we
lord.
don't have any hesitation how far we can go it and what a powerful tool to do justice. But at the same time, we also know when to use.
My lord, here is a case, my lord. Your lordship will find because of the fact
No, you just give me the fundamental answer.
Yes, my lord.
If
We have come.
You have a very good case.
My lord.
Why not a judge in the highest, almost high, in a higher station judge will not be able to appreciate an application under section 227?
No, that's a different aspect.
No, it's a vital issue.
Yes, I'll come.
First address that, then we'll proceed.
Then
First proceed.
Yes,
then we'll
number one, my lord.
See, if you bring all these cases before High Court, when you have a efficacious alternative remedies there, it will be difficult for us to hear those genuine cases.
My lord, here is a case, why I am telling you. So had it been, my lord, yes, definitely, my lord, this court will not interfere where there is a case, my lord.
There is an investigation, there is a search sheet.
My lord, in
Thereafter, there is a stage where the judge will apply its mind and see whether it is a case. to
prima
search
facie
it.
case to proceed on or not,
Not.
my lord. Number one, your lordship will kindly see. There's one incident, my lord. There's a fire. There's a
No, you are saying about the facts.
yes, my lord. There are three
These are
affairs.
facts.
No, there are three affairs, and simultaneously two searches has been filed, my lord, on the same incident, my lord. One by me, my lord, and one by the fire officer. And what the fire officer is this, that is why, my lord, we have come before this honorable court.
How this trial are commencing? These
My lord,
two is,
different way, my lord. That's why we have
will provide that both are sessions tribal.
no, no, both are session tribal.
So will that
No,
will has to
my lord,
arising out of the same incident.
kindly
Let that proceed simultaneously.
the simultaneous mean, my lord, in one cases where we have filed, they have been made an accused.
That's why.
And my lord, your lordship will find, and we have been made an accused, where we are the so and so. And more particularly, my lord, why I'm saying the person who has filed this complaint is against me, my lord, is an officer of the fire. And he has stated in his affidavit also, my lord, in the statement that he is a hearsay evidence on the basis of which he has lost this FIR. And the informant, the person who has provided his information has stated, categorically stated in their statement that is a misunderstanding between the parties, that union and the management. So he has right. That is why we have come before this honorable court, my lord. And also, my lord, there another third one, my lord. Third one, which has been filed, my lord, has been quashed by this honorable court, my lord. The lordship will find, which I have annexed, my lord, at page annexure 9 at page 58, my
So
lord.
that is gone.
Yes, three
So
cases.
other case is gone.
Yes, my
Two
lord.
cases pending.
Two cases is pending. 58, your lordship will kindly see. That is the order of this honorable court. That is on 13th.
There is a stay of the proceeding.
My lord.
There is a stay.
My lord. So your lordship, only the very small issues that whether this Haloy, on the basis of the statement which has been made by Haloy, my lord, your lordship have to see 161 of what he says.
No, we'll see. So according to you, the material so far collected, when it is taken to be correct, no case is made out.
My lord.
Even there cannot be any suspicion that we have done it.
My lord, not even suspicion, my lord. It is absolutely, my lord, different of that, my lord.
Understand?
Your lordship will kindly
Therefore,
see the-
argue that at the stage of 227.
But I know, but why, Ballot, that should not be, Ballot, abuse process of law and abuse the time of the court also, where this has a power that if your lordship see that.
That cannot be a ground. If this court is having power and exercising it, it are two
No,
different
that
things.
has to be exercised sparingly. But where there is an absolutely abuse of process of a law, that is number one, is to law.
In a given case, even will quash an investigation also. No doubt about that.
Yes, my lord. But that is
Where
why,
a
that is
case,
why,
investigation has started, charge sheet is filed, now stage is at the framing of charge.
my lord. And a copy, my lord, 207, my lord.
See, moment we dismiss, it's a copy stage, now this next stage will be the framing of charges.
My lord.
Moment, if we dismiss, your 227 stage is gone.
Definitely, but that is why I'm saying that it's not a case of a dismissal, my lord. My respectful submission is this. my
But
lord.
this is not a case, we don't have this much of luxury. Yes,
So,
what
so
happened?
my prayer before lordship, let them first approach before the trial court, raise all these my lord points at the time of framing
They
227.
can raise it.
And
Any,
thereafter, my lord,
any material to
yes, my lord.
proceed with his argument?
Yes, my lord.
Anything else was called for case diary and all? No.
No, my lord, only in my file only it is stated that interim.
Who is respondent number 2?
Please.
I'm the informant.
Informant, my lord.
What is your affidavit?
My lord, my affidavit is that, my lord, the incident occurred on 24/7.
No, don't say all
My lord,
this. You say
my lord,
that he's
my lord,
an
I'm-
honest
my lord,
person.
I'm submitting, my lord. My lord, the FIR was lost on the basis of a statement of two witnesses, the employees.
No, just I'm putting you the question. Do you suggest and file an affidavit saying that he is not involved?
Because there is a charge sheet, my lord.
No. What is your stand in the affidavit?
My lord, my stand is that, my lord,
Against him or in favor of him?
no, my lord. I was only the informant and the investigation was done by the other person. But their ground is that the statement of the two witnesses, they have changed during investigation. So, my lord, but they have not implicated my lord, the investigating officer in the present case, my lord. So I have no knowledge about the change of statement, my lord. Because I lodged only the FIR on the basis of statement of two
Then you are the manager.
No,
I'm the, my lord,
He's
station
a-
officer of the fire.
Fire officer.
Somebody said that this person has done
My
it, so
lord.
you lost the FIR.
Lost
Now,
the-
if
the
what is
investigation
their
was-
statement?
My lord.
What is their statement?
Their statement, my lord, their statement there, your lordship, I have annexed the statement, my lord. And which has been before the officer in charge.
Your present application is filed for
That 71 is their
Postment of
statement, my lord.
Postment of Swensu, full stop. Arising out of, in connection with Gorsuk PS case number 397/16, dated 27/7/2016. Full stop. Registry to call for the scan copies of a record of the, what is the case, GR case?
Yeah, not GR case, session case, my lord, because it's a session trial.
Session case number?
Session case number 223 of 2019, my lord, and charge sheet number
220/19, along with the case diary of Gorsuk PS case number 397/2016. List this matter on give after
fixed
3
date,
weeks.
my lord.
After 3 weeks. You are taking a risk, but our power under 482
Yes,
is
my lord.
very limited.
Because I have,
I'm just telling you,
my lord,
227 power and is something different and 482 is something. Yes. 24th of June, interim order. Any interim order?
yes, my lord.
Pass earlier, shall continue till.
Obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
I'll
Yes,
This case, we have withdrawn from this case, my lord.
Huh?
We have withdrawn from this case.
don't appear.
Inform this.
No, don't inform. None appears for the petitioner on copy. None did represent the petitioner when the matter was called on 6/5/2022 and on 14/12/2020. 6/5/2020 and all 14/12/2020. The present application under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is filed for quashing an order dated 18/6/2019 and 26/8/2019. Passed in CR case number 4176 C of 2018, pending before the learned Judicial Magistrate First Class Kamrup M, Guwahati. Registered under section 130, not registered, customer, under section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. By way of the impugn order, dated 18/6/2028, a payment of interim compensation under section 143A of the NI Act was directed to be paid an interim compensation to the tune of rupees 5 lakhs as interim compensation to the complainant under section 143A of the NI Act was directed. Stop. And the other order under challenge, that is order dated 26/8/2018, and prayer of extension of time for 30 days to the pay to extension of time of 30 days to pay interim compensation. A prayer made for extension of time of another 30 days to pay the interim compensation was sought for. Full stop. আগত দিব within a period of 60 days pay করবে sought for. Full stop. This court, the ground of such challenge, the that proceeding is still stayed. Huh?
My information is still going.
This matter, according base, while issuing notice of motion on 23/9/2019, that state the further proceeding of the CR case number 4176/2018. Who appears for the respondents? Notice was duly served upon respondent number 2. However, none had appeared for the respondent number 2. Considering the matter in entirety, and in the interest of justice, the matter stands adjourned. However, the interim order dated passed in this case dated dated is stands vacated. Registry to communicate this order to the learned trial court below. Let us see. Yes. Yes, Mr. Bhuya.
Yes, this is with regard to quashing of an affair, my lord, that was registered under 306/34. The other side name has been reflected on the last occasion also, my lord. Nobody appeared as such.
Any interim order?
No, man.
What is the present stage?
No, nothing has been there, my lord. No communication as such.
Communication from the client?
From the client. One is a doctor, my lord, who happens to practice in Dibrugarh Medical College, my lord. Now, I came to know he shifted to Mumbai, my lord, Cancer Institute there. Your lordships go through the affair itself, my lord, on the face of it, my lord, whether a case has been made out or not. With regard to a property in Jorhat, my lord, the victim, my lord, went to Jorhat and there was an argument and she came back to Guwahati and thereafter she committed suicide.
What is the stage, Mr.
LCR, my lord.
Huh?
The LCR, the check with the LCR, my lord, just I have to check the LCR part, whether it is
Okay,
TV or my lord, LCR, my lord.
Yes, LCR two files has been received, my lord. Right.
So Bhuyan, tell us one thing, forget about this case.
Yes.
What can we do if none appears in a criminal petition
My lord will dismiss it, my lord.
for non-prosecution?
Non-prosecution.
We can do it.
Yes, my lord. Because criminal petition,
Criminal appeal, we cannot.
yes. Criminal appeal, this
We
court
cannot.
has to be disposed of on merit.
Merit.
But criminal petition, why not, my lord?
Is
It's
it
court not
permissible?
look out, my lord. Nobody appears, my lord.
Then other case to dismiss this, with this non-appears, dismiss for non-prosecution.
I don't know.
Oh,
If we can do that, okay, the present, come on, though Mr. A.K. Bhuya Learned Counsel is present, none appears for the informant respondent number 2.
Two, my lord.
Comma, do name of the learned counsel representing the said respondent are reflected in the cause list. Full stop. Mr. M.P. Goswami is present, representing the state. Full stop. As none appears for the respondent number 2, matter stands adjourned. However, it is made clear that on the next date, if none appears, this court will decide this matter on the material available on record.
Let the
And-
LCR be retained. my lord.
That is the, no, this is scan copies.
Yes.
Mr. Goswami, MP Goswami and Mr. A.K. Bhuya may go through the scan copies of the records received.
Fine. Definitely.
Go through it, assist us because other side is not
Yeah.
there. Yes.
I am for the respondent number 2, informant, my lordship.
So
Yes.
none appears for the petitioner on call. Though MS R. Begum for the respondent number 2, as well as Mr. Parasar Lanes, additional public prosecutor is present. Full stop. In view of the above, comma, full stop. In the interest of justice, matter stands adjourned and be listed after 3 weeks.
I listed it for admission, my lordship. There is no interim order already LCR has been.
That's why I saying, after, listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged me.
Met with your lordship. Lordship, kindly pass over for the time being.
What is the issue?
Lordship, for 82 application, seeking quashment of the charge sheet, Lordship.
This scan copy was called for earlier, the wrong case diary was sent, Lordship.
Has it
Now
come?
Yes,
It has come, Lordship, but it
You want
does
to
not
go
have
through
the-
it?
It does not have the case diary, Lordship.
Okay. Though record of PRC case number 1350
Lordship.
/2022 has been received from the Court of Learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Guwahati. However, the case scan copies of the case diary of
Dispur PS case.
Of Dispur PS case number
2028.
2028 plus
2014.
2014 is not received. Accordingly, registry to issue reminder to the learned additional chief judicial magistrate. Full stop. List this matter after 3 weeks. Any interim order? No.
No, Lordship.
I have taken steps upon the respondent number 2, lordship.
Miss case? What miss case?
No, no, so it taken the steps.
In view of office note dated 27/5/2024, which reflects that neither AD card nor unserved notice or any service report in respect of respondent number 2 has been received back, comma, the matter stands adjourned and be listed after 3 weeks with an updated service report. Full stop. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
I'm opposed.
Yes. What is this?
This case, my lord, earlier, my lord, the question was posed by this honorable, this court, my lord, whether any materials collected apart from the interrogational statement of the accused or not. The PP sought time to study, my lord.
Where is the FIR?
FIR, my lord, kindly see, page 15.
Yes.
15. May I read, my lord? My implication, page 19.
Page 15.
15 is the FIR.
Where is your involvement?
Involvement, page 19, my lord,
Page 9.
in middle portion,
This is first time or earlier rejected?
first time.
First time. Page 19.
During spot interrogation, may I read, my lord? During spot interrogation of the detained persons, it is learned that the suspected Yaba tablets were loaded at Champai, Mizoram on the instruction of apprehended suspected Hassan Ali and another Islamuddin of Bashantapur so-and-so. Further, Hassan Ali and Islamuddin jointly invested the money for the seized drugs. They will be delivered the.
What is your name?
Islamuddin.
Okay, just a minute. You are Islamuddin.
Islamuddin. Apart from this statement, no other things.
Now, when you were arrested, where is your arrest? Huh?
I have not been arrested. This is 438.
438.
My lord, my submission, my lord. Kindly see this judgment, my lord. I am covered under 216 judgment, my lord. No, my lord, apart from the statement of the arrested accused persons.
We do not know at this.
My lord, kindly see, my lord, this judgment is there, my lord. Kindly see.
Which judgment?
Pallolo by Ahmed Arimutta. In this case, my lord, also, and
It is under in case of bail, not in anticipatory bail. Anticipatory bail is something different.
my lord, the similar order is passed, my lord. Kindly see this page 34, my lord.
Yes.
34.
Go upstairs, get a declaration in this regard. This is a base case for a law to be laid down. We are passing an order that should be tested in the upstairs.
My lord, kindly
Yes,
see
which order?
page 34, my lord. Similar case, my lord.
Similar case means out of same.
Same, different FIR, but same cause of action, my lord. I was declared as an absconder. Someone has issued, my lord. Same type of cases, my lord.
You take a chance after vacation.
After vacation.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned and be listed after ensuing summer vacancy.
Lordship, Senior Counsel J. Kamar is coming. Lordship.
Jet Kamar, we cannot wait for Jet Kamar. Where is that? Show us the case there. We have given you a chance. If he's not here, not here. Yes.
As per my lord, earlier it was rejected. Therefore, my lord.
Rejected by whom?
Your
By this
lordship-
court?
Yes, my lordships, my lord.
Twice rejected or what?
My lord, once. Rejected. Page 21 is the order. Okay? Lordship, may kindly see Annex 3.
Hard. You are Mr.
21. No.
S.J. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitions. By this second bail application, agar order to likhibo.
Second.
Agar more order to 24/4. Second to likhibo. Full stop. Full stop. Peruse the case diary. Full stop.
He has appeared on 25/2/4.
Okay. And the pursuant to an interim order dated 24/4/2024, the learned counsel, the accused appeared before the IO and recorded, got his statements recorded. Full stop. A co-accused, there is husband, wife.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, the wife of the petitioner, a co-accused, Azida Begum, had also approached this court earlier. Full stop. Such application filed under section 438 CRPC was rejected by this court under its order dated 8/9/2023, passed in AB/2459/2023. Full stop. However, on special leave to appeal being filed, the Honorable Apex Court has granted anticipatory bail to the said co-accused, accused. Where is that? If it's on the ground at no reason.
No.
Okay, that they can do. 142 was granted. Full stop. The petitioner is also in the same footing as well as the role of the petitioner in the commission of the alleged offense are also similar to that of the said Azida Begum. Full stop. As the Azida Begum has already been granted and the anticipatory bail by the Honorable Apex Court, this court is of the view that such situation can be treated as a new ground to grant the petitioner the privilege of pre-arrest bail. Accordingly, the present petition stands allowed. Full stop. Above, this court has also considered the fact that the petitioner had appeared before the IO and cooperated with the investigation. Accordingly, allowed. Interim order stands absolute. For that, we don't need J.R. Kamar. Yes.
My lord, for this convenience, my lord, I have prepared a short note, my lord. Kindly.
Yes. You cannot have both.
That's true, my lord.
Yes, what is this?
My lord, kindly this moment I have
NDPS case, Lordship.
Now, that Aftar Hussain relates to this case or some
No,
other
not
case?
this case.
Other case. Sharma,
Lordship.
do something.
Yes, Lordship.
Do something. This is the way we'll have to allow bail petition.
Only thing, Lordship, the last date was fixed on 18/3/24. After that, Lordship, it is not reflected in the scan copy, Lordship, not up to date.
My lord, up to date order sheet I have prepared.
No way out. This is the difference. We are taking some administrative measures. We cannot blame the courts also. Same court will take from succession to NDPS to POCSO. No witnesses examined thereafter. Okay, we'll pass this order.
Obliged.
We'll see. We'll go through his note and facts and what are the statements. If case of his possession, recovery, etc. are made out, then
Statements, Lordship, regarding the statements for short submission, Lordship, PW 1 and 2 are the seizure witness, they are implicated.
then there may be a different issue.
I have PW 1 and 2 Caesar witness, and they did not support my case.
You say they did not support the case.
They are saying that they did not put the signature before the police. I would kindly see, may I read my.
Oh, we'll see it, not right now. We'll see each and every, this is there in the case diary.
Yes,
And we have not decided anything. And what about this scan copy of record of NDPS 89? Both has 89, 2 dates, I think. But we will get it by the weekend only.
2 years, 9 months already.
May wait for 3-4 more. If we allow, if we reject, then no problem. But if we allow, be there for 2-3 more days.
Lordship, the lower scan copy is not required. It is the old one, Lordship. The upper one, that is.
Upper one is,
upper one.
okay. Then his certificate, his copies are there. We'll keep it here. Okay.
I have given the latest orders.
Huh?
Latest order sheet I have given.
That is, I have kept it. So it will, huh? We'll pass this order.
Obliged.
Dispose of, write it, dispose of. We'll pass. this.
Obliged.
It was to be at 2. We'll take it up tomorrow. Please this method tomorrow. Informer will take it up to. Item?
56.
Lordship, I appear on behalf of Special PPD Group. We are seeking some time for our arguments. Material have been received from department, Lordship. 1 week's time may be given.
Why 1 week? He's inside.
More than.
What will you gain keeping him inside? You have recovered everything.
Yes.
We'll take it day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. Learned Special PP Forest Department. What do you call it?
Wildlife.
Wildlife. Forest Special PP Forest Wildlife 6 for an adjournment. Prayer is allowed. List this method day after tomorrow. Give the date.
APP B Gogoi has gone through earlier. He has copy also given to him. I have informed him. He is in code number 21. If
See, let me be frank. We have some work in the chamber. All these orders and all.
Obliged.
28.
Chief,
Yes.
that's my
Huh?
Please, Your
Yes.
Lordship. Your Lordship, in the instant matter, it is a 438 application. The interim protection was granted on 5th of March 2024. Subsequently, the petitioner received a hard copy of the order on 13th of March 2024. And subsequently, when the petitioner went to the police station, he was a cardiac patient, aged 58 years. So the
You file
police-
an additional affidavit.
Your Lordship, the police suggested us that there was, as per the order, there was no necessary for him to come to the police station, and if required, they will call us and record a statement. And therefore, I believe it has come in the CD that our statement is not recorded, Your Lordship.
Okay, but your statement is important.
we went to the police station, but the police suggested that as per the perusal of the order, they find that if it is required, they will call us, but there was no necessity on our part to go to the police
You have the instruction,
There is no such note of.
no
the-
such note. So therefore, you file an additional affidavit.
It is much of it.
Because my lord, there is.
Since you are on interim, we are protecting you.
Indeed, Your
Because you will have to make this, you will have to give importance to these orders and all.
Lordship, if I may allowed, I will be again going to the police station to record my statement. If you
Okay, let him go. Okay.
I'll again go and
Uh,
record my statement.
Mr. You are Mr.
T.L. Oscar, Your Lordship.
Huh?
T.L. Oscar.
E.A. Loskor, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that though after grant of interim order dated 5/3 under grant of interim protection by this court under its order dated 5/3/2024, the petitioner appeared before the IO. However, IO suggested that he will be called as and when necessary to record his statement. Full stop. And therefore, his statements are not recorded in the case that. Full stop. This court is of the view that statement of the petitioner be recorded by the IO.
Otherwise, matter can be disposed of.
Dispose of.
Dispose of him.
Necessary.
Okay.
The card
Then
is-
what will it will become? Then,
After dispose, he may.
okay.
appear before the-
Consider the case material available on record. Is it go which reflects that not just don't also cooperated recorded statement to nilikhbo. Full stop. Also cooperated. Considering the above, the present petition stands allowed. However, it is directed that the petitioner shall appear before the IO and IO shall record his statement
Yes.
on such appearance. Full stop. The petitioner shall appear within a period of 2 weeks from today.
Much obliged, much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My deepest apologies, Lordship. Lordship, I'm in interim, Lordship, item number 36, I have somehow left out, item number 38 was called when I reached the.
Item number
36, Lordship.
Pass order for dismiss of default.
item 30.
Item 36, Lordship, I am on interim, Lordship, not FI name, my husband was on the FI name, and I have divorced my husband, Lordship. As such, I was granted interim.
Now, what to be done to the CD is here or you return back?
No, my lord, CD is here, my lord.
Okay,
Your
bring the case. Do you require his custody? Husband, wife?
Yes, my lord. Allegation is mainly in the FIR, my lord, against the husband.
Husband.
But during, my lord, investigation revealed that the main agreement is with the present petitioner.
Yes, Lord, I have stated.
Okay, list this method day after tomorrow.
Yes.
You keep the case. We'll see.
Okay, otherwise his statement her statement recorded.
If you require, if you are opposing, then
I'm not anyway, my lord, her statement recorded.
record it. Dispose of cooperated interim order. Who was there? Hello. Agor order bila koni sa kole. This is over.
Yes, my lord.
Be free.
Keep your love. নহয় সঁচা আৰু ক্লাইণ্টজনী চিনাকি
I mean,
নহয় জানা মেইন নহয় হাজবেণ্ডে চব